Hey guys, have you ever set up a teepee? Well, tonight we are doing just that with Thrive Tours. We're so excited, and guess what? We get to sleep in it after. So this is an exciting first time adventure. We're gonna do a time lapse and we're gonna do video footage. So let's go have some fun.
Please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you.
East is there, so our opening's got to be here. Great, tape it upright and then splay it out. Okay, for you to get somewhere around here, that's good. And for you to get somewhere around over here. Yeah. Does it look like it's tripodish?
Yeah.
Okay, great. You want to grab another one of those? And you want to go through that little hole right there. See, there's that little tiny hole, and then get that hole and then go straight up and through. Okay, good.
Yeah, it's not easy.
You got it.
So this is like pole vaulting here. Now you want to come over here, just like that. There you go, perfect. Splay it out to over here. Okay, good. Now we're gonna actually take this and we're gonna flip it over that.
Super cool.
Whenever you see like a little bit of sunlight, you'll go right through that sunlight and it'll kind of weave it in. You see that? Yeah, so just go up and through that, slide it through that tinier hole, and you should be good. Okay. Oh yeah, see, now that's what I'm talking about.
There we go.
Okay. You want to take this and put it around that and kind of flick it up so that it kind of goes into a nice little, yeah. Exactly. And then come over towards this away. Exactly. As high as you can get it, really.
You're a good flicker.
All right. That's like that's pro flick right there.
There you go.
Okay.
There.
Okay, yeah, exactly. So slip it up, but I want you to go and place it down there.
All right.
Okay. There you go. Okay, let's bring that light over towards the door. Bring that over here. Yeah. So in through the two.
Yep.
Yeah, that and the outside one, yeah, good. And then, yeah,
Like sewing.
yeah, like sewing, you're right. And then you just push it through.
Push it, get it back through.
Exactly. Oh, you got it.
Oh, okay.
Look at you. There you go. Now we just have to do that subsequently and up the ladder.
Okay.
So we go the outside.
Oh,
And then the
Oh.
outside.
And now we go on the
And
inside.
you leave it. Twist it. And yep, you're pretty much there. Yes.
Okay.
This
So
side,
yeah,
right?
through this one. I'll try not to. You got it. There you
Yeah.
go. That poke through this hole. You have to back it back up. Back it back. Yep,
Now you
back.
gotta like twist it over.
And now you gotta kind of go like this. So we had we've only been here what 3 hours. Fantastic time so far with Thrive Tours. We put up a teepee, first time, only time ever putting up a teepee, and we get to sleep in the teepee that we put up. Like, it doesn't get any better than this, under the stars in Sault Ste Marie. So it's a wicked sky on top of it. Like, we're just like blessed. So what are you guys' thoughts about today?
Oh my god, it is unexplainable. It's definitely an experience that you need to you firsthand.
Please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you.